You and I. Okay, I've definitely looked way better in past videos than I do today. I really apologize. Hey guys, it's Alyson and welcome back to my channel. My makeup does look pretty terrible just because I just did the last picture I was recreating literally minutes ago, so I can't have some red on my eyes and it's just a bad time. It's not good. So for today's video, I'm going to be recreating ANDREA RUSSETT'S Instagram pictures. Now honestly, going into this challenge, I thought it was going to be pretty easy. I get a lot of people that tell me I do have some similar characteristics to ANDREA, so doing this video wasn't too hard. But when you're trying to recreate someone's pictures, it is very difficult because you do want to get it spot on. You do want to get every single key point of it perfect. Now when they're just taking the pictures, they're just being nonchalant, they're being themselves and just taking the pictures because they think it's cute. And when you have to go and try to recreate it, oh, it's hard. So let's go ahead and recreate these pictures. Now, this picture was actually pretty difficult to do just because my arms are fat and she's nice and skinny and it did not look the same and I was kind of disappointed. This one was probably my least favorite one to shoot just because everything was just going wrong. I couldn't get the lighting right, so I had to edit it a lot. She's just like bomb. Like ANDREA RUSSETT is just a bomb ass person and she's just super beautiful and she's just naturally beautiful and I will never be that. She just has a nice pout to her lips that I know I will never get ever in my life. So it was really difficult making this one, but I still enjoyed it. I got to play around with my photo booth a little bit, which I haven't done in a long time. So that's why I think that was the most fun. Alright guys, so for this look, I just put on some lashes and these are actually the magnetic lashes and I've really been wanting to try them out. Now they're obviously not put on that well. This was my first time putting them on and I don't need them to be absolutely perfect because the picture that she has is on a webcam, so it's going to be easier. You don't see that she has a full face of makeup on or anything. I noticed personally is her eyelashes and her brows. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I don't have a white sports bra, but I'm just wearing this white tank top with a nude bra, so hopefully you won't see it. It doesn't seem like she's wearing any jewelry in this photo, so let's go ahead and try to recreate this photo. So I also have a MacBook, which is good because if I didn't, I couldn't make this photo because she has the emojis over her head. So let's go ahead and do this. And sorry about the bad lighting because I can't have a super bright light on me because of the dark haziness in her picture, so that's just gonna have to do. My arms are so fat. Why do I look so ugly? Did I even get the hearts in it? You be all up in your groove. It's strange to me to wanna love someone who's raw all by them. So for this next picture, I actually really like this one. I'm a pretty big fan of it, I'm not gonna lie, just because, I don't know, like I know it's not exactly perfect and my eyes are a little bit squinched in it, but it was just really fun to take because I felt like she was just living her carefree life and she's like, the sun looks awesome, like my makeup is bomb, my hair looks pretty cool, so I'm just gonna take the picture. And you know, I just tried. Like that's just what you have to do. You just have to try, okay? So I just got done with my makeup. ANDREA really likes winged eyeliner. I'm not crazy about winged eyeliner, and I still have to do my hair. In a few of her pictures, it's just like messy, wild, curly hair, which will be really easy for me because that's what I like to do as well. So let's go ahead and do my hair. I'm outside and I'm about to take my picture. It's a little chilly out, but we're gonna go with it. If the sun's going down too much, I don't know. I'll just set you right here. So I just got done doing that one. That is so much harder than I thought it would be. Well, she's just so like naturally pretty and could just do it pretty and by herself, you know? So that was really hard. So let's hope I got that one. I tried to record myself doing it on my vlog camera, but I think it died. So Sorry.
You be all up in your groove. It's strange to me to wanna love someone who's raw by them.
So this one was fun. I really liked doing this one. I felt like it came out really well just because I had everything pretty much on point except the shirt with the ties in the front. But I realized after I did everything and when I was editing these pictures that I was holding it in the wrong hand, so that was kind of disappointing. It's fine. I'm not mad. It's fine. But I noticed in a lot of these pictures that someone probably took them for her, and I was just on my tripod here that I used to film on, so that was a little bit difficult. I didn't take my pictures, I just pushed record and I was just posing every few seconds and just screenshotting them on my computer. So it is definitely better for someone to take the pictures for you. I do recommend that if you're gonna do this challenge, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. I can't. Oh my gosh. My phone's gonna die. We're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna go for it. I'm so ugly. It's so cold and this is so hard. I hope I got it. It's so cold.
You be all up in your groove. It's strange to me to wanna love someone who's raw by them.
For this next one, it was just very difficult for me to do. I don't understand why. So the way she's just, I don't know. I think it's because maybe she just took her picture the other way. Like, my writing hand is my right. So I always do things to my right, I pull things to my right, and yada yada. So I didn't realize that she has her head tilted to the right and then pulling her shirt to the left. It was just very difficult for me to figure out. Like, I was not okay with it. But I ended up getting it. I did pretty okay. Like, I wasn't happy about it because I was pulling my shirt the other way because I'm a very strict perfectionist, but what are you gonna do? I had a pimple, but I clearly cut that out because Facetune is my homegirl. I don't understand what was happening to my mouth. I just couldn't do it, so I'm just like, whatever, like, this is gonna have to do. I'm pretty much the master at messy buns. My messy bun has to look perfect, if that makes sense. They can't look awfully messy that I literally didn't even try on it. I have to at least try on it. A messy bun has to look messy enough, but still cute. Like, I love the whole, I don't know. Okay. I have two pairs of glasses that look like hers. I'm pretty sure these are from Boohoo or Shein. I really like these ones, but I have ones that look more like hers. And I also have these ones. These are from Firmoo that I did a review on, but these are definitely more like hers. I'm pretty ssure hers are more aviator-like and these are more dad glasses-like. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's as best as it's gonna get. So now her hair is very pulled out, very just messy, and this is pretty much how my buns end up looking at the end of the night. I think I'm gonna wear that shirt that I wore in my picture before this because it literally matches it so much nicely. I know I'm not gonna have the same exact background as her, which I'm really not worried about. I'm just more worried about how I look with her and how I recreate it. So let's go ahead and do this. It's up a little bit higher on her neck, just like that. Left it. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. Seeing double. I think I got it, but I'm definitely more uglier and have a bigger forehead and I have a pimple. We did it, y'all. We did it.
You be all up in your groove. It's strange to me to wanna love someone who's raw by them.
This one actually I just did a few minutes ago, and this one was actually kind of hard to do. She really rocks the whole orangey bronze makeup look because her eyes just make it look really amazing and just makes her eyes pop, and so it looks really good on her. But then me, I'm like, why did I do this to myself? And her earrings are clearly way bigger than mine. Her hair is lighter than mine, different shirt colors. So this one was sort of like my challenge one, like, let's see if I can do this, but I know I'm gonna miserably fail, but I did it anyways. Height right. Okay, it's crooked. No, she's just like effortlessly doing it and just looking all cute and soft smiling, but I suck at soft smiles, so let's try it the other way just to make sure, because the other pictures I didn't. I feel like I'm struggling. I probably look like I'm dying. is so hard. She's not even like smiling. She's just kind of like that. Why did I pick this one to do? Ah, the light is blinding me.
You be all up in your groove. It's strange to me to wanna love someone who's raw all by them.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. I post every Monday and sometimes Friday. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get a notification for every time I post. And make sure you guys try to send this to Andrea as much as you can. I really, really would love for her to see it just so that she can see how much I failed. But please be my friend because I have no YouTube friends and I really want a friend. That sounded so depressing. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Wake up. Okay.